Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to put text behind a person in CapCut PC. If you're using CapCut for the first time, you can visit the official CapCut website and download the desktop version of the software. Once the download is complete, follow the installation instructions to set up CapCut on your computer. After the installation is complete, launch the CapCut application on computer. You'll be greeted with a clean and intuitive interface ready for your editing work. Click on the New Project button, which will open the CapCut project editing page. To import your desired files, click the Import button in the top left corner of the Media panel, or simply drag and drop the files into the Media panel. Once your media files are imported, they will appear in the Media panel. Arrange the files on the timeline in the desired order to create your video sequence. You can trim, split, and rearrange the clips on the timeline to perfect your storytelling. To add text behind the person, navigate to the top and open Text tab. Drag the text box on the timeline above the video and drag the text box across the track to cover the entire video. From the top right side, you can see the text tab is open. Type here your desired text, demo text. Adjust the text box position by stretching from the corners in the Preview tab. Now, to place this text behind the person, go to the Media tab again. Then drag the video and place it above the text track. Once the video is on the track, select it. From the Video tab on the right side, open the Remove Background section, and it will enable the auto removal feature, and it will start removing the background, leaving only the person in focus. And wait patiently, applying auto cutout on your screen. And there you have it. Now, play the video to see the results. The most important thing is to develop your editing mindset, such as understanding storytelling techniques, determining what elements to add, how to piece together different shots, and effectively using footage and sound effects. As you continue to learn, your perspective and possibilities will broaden. You will gradually explore other editing software beyond CapCut and gain knowledge on capturing the best footage and using the language of visuals to tell compelling stories. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.